Welcome. If you want to keep your Telegram chats tidy and private, enabling auto-delete messages for a specific contact is a fantastic feature to use. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to set your messages to automatically delete after 1 week for any contact on Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat with the contact for whom you want to enable auto-delete. You can either scroll through your chats or use the search bar to find their name quickly. After opening the chat, tap on the contact's profile picture or their name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the chat details page where you can customize settings for that conversation. Next, look for the 3 dots icon, usually located in the upper right corner, and tap on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Auto Delete. Now you'll see different time options for how long messages will remain before they are deleted. Choose 1 week to set your messages to disappear 7 days after being sent. Once you've selected the 1-week timer, the setting is applied immediately. From this point forward, any new messages sent or received in this chat will automatically delete after 1 week, helping keep your conversation private and clutter-free. Remember, this setting only affects new messages after activation, so older messages will remain unless you delete them manually. You can repeat these steps for any other contacts you want to set auto-delete for, giving you full control over your chat privacy. That's it. With just a few taps, you've enabled auto-delete messages for a specific contact on Telegram, ensuring your conversations stay fresh and secure without any extra effort. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, safer messaging experience.